Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to export a 60 frames per second video from Canva. This makes your videos look smoother and more professional, especially for animations and motion content. On the Canva dashboard, find the video you want to export. To download it as a 60 frames per second video, we need to access the export options. Simply click the button in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From there, click Download. Next, set the file type to MP4 so it exports as a video. To set it to 60 frames per second, we use the quality slider. If the quality cannot be adjusted right away, we change the quality setting to 60 frames per second. We drag the slider down until it shows 60 frames per second. Once it is set to 60 frames per second, we click Download. This gives us a smoother video with better visual quality, perfect for social media or presentations. And that is how we export a 60 frames per second video from Canva.